Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com. Hump Day, coming at you with Mosaic Football Blaster Box number 7. It's our last filler. It ended up being the only filler we did for that for the 15-box Hit Parade mixer. Final 5 spots being given away in this one. Big thanks to this group for making it happen. Appreciate all of you putting in the work. All 32 teams are in. Let's roll it and randomize it. 3 and a 1. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and a 1. 4 times. This is just for the break. And 3 and a 1, 4 times for the teams. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice, Justin. Hopefully I'll bring you some luck here. All right, no trade windows in these filler breaks, but there's the first half of the list right there. Second half of the list right over here. Who knows? There could be some surprises in the in a Mosaic Blaster box. Let's alphabetize by team. And let's print and rip. All right, good luck, good luck, good luck. Green Trevor Lawrence. I think these are exclusive to the blaster boxes. Touchdown Masters Randy Moss. Brian Thomas Jr. Notoriety. Insert. I don't know how common these are, but I'll sleeve this up just in case. Eugene with the Jaguars. I guess maybe they're more common than I thought. What do we have here? Nice, Adonai Mitchell. I think these are, this must be, is this like a, this must be a short print. That's going to be for the Colts. That's going to be for Justin. I forget what these are called. Are these... I think this might be the Genesis parallel. Yeah, Terry, I think you're right. So it's a nice little short print there. Awesome. All right, not bad. Let's see now, even better. Let's see who's going to win spots in that Hit Parade break. It's coming up in the next video. Let's gather all the names 1 through 32 and everyone in between. New dice, new list. Top 5 after 6 and a 5. 11 times. Fingers crossed, everybody. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11th and final time. Now 6 through 32, sad times, but here's the good news. Good news is we've got another half case Hit Parade break loaded up with fillers to go along with it, so we'll try to get them next time. But unfortunately, not this time. Next time, though. Top 5, you're happy because you're in the next video. Ron is happy. So is Fred, Joe, Josh, and Justin. Congrats to the top 5. We'll see you in the next video. JaspysCaseBreaks.com.